Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to integrate Zendesk chat extension in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. I have created the Zendesk account, right? So here I have created the Zendesk account and now they are going to give me this embedded widget, right? I'm going to just embed this image, copy this image, and I'm going to my any of the front end view, front end, web template. No, it's like something. Let me go to my another custom product section, view, front end, templates, and custom products for templates. Here I'm going to add my custom widget. Previously I have used the twac over here, but now today I'm going to add it to the Zendesk chat module. So here I'm going to save this snippet, Zendesk chat widget, and now I'm going to just run the cache flush. Right, I'm going to go to my front end. Local host mentioned how to custom products here, right? So here is my chat widget. Will come over here, Zendex, right? So it's loading right now. Hi, how may I help you? Name of the Rajni. Sent. Okay. Chatbot Rajni, could you connecting with you someone now? Okay. So here, let me check where my ticket is gone. Okay, so I've checked all things. Let me go to my chats. Conversation with Rajni, less than a minute. Let me open this. So her name Rajni is messaging you. So hello, how are you? Until I'm got that screen, here it's like Rajnikant Chaudhary is typing, right? So I'm going to submit, send, sorry. So it will receive. Hello, how are you? I am good. Now it's come with a place out. I am good. Nice to talk. This Nice. So this is how you can implement the Zendex successfully. No need to buy extension, something else like that. So just you need to create an account over here. Do that the way. Just add this code in the footer. That is the important thing. Rest it is fine. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment if you like my videos. Right. Have a great day.